Zebra climbs aboard with stripes so bright. Yellow train shining in the sunlight. Clickety-clack down the track so fine, riding on the yellow line. Choo-choo-choo, the yellow train, riding through sunshine and gentle rain. Zebra waves with a happy grin. Adventures waiting, let's begin. Through the hills and past the trees, feeling the cool and gentle breeze. Zebra laughs and taps his feet to the rhythm of the train's beat. Choo-choo-choo, the yellow train, riding through sunshine and gentle rain. Zebra waves with a happy grin. Adventures waiting, let's begin. Yellow train goes fast and slow, taking Zebra where flowers grow. Friends are waiting at the never stop, time to dance and never stop. So if you see the yellow train, wave hello again and again. With Zebra riding fun's in store, let's ride the yellow train once more.